Showings are up 2.1% week over week, leading to 1.4% more contracts this week than last. And there is more inventory for sale this week. It's Friday, February 3rd, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. This graphic may give you context regarding the buyer activity in the market. Showings are 126.4% higher than the pre-pandemic frenzied market, reflecting more typical activity than those 3 years. While this graphic shows that contracts were significantly down despite rising 1.4% this week from the prior week. Since my last report, 583 homes are coming to the market. 703 homes came on the market, rising significantly from the last week. 623 went under contract in 32 days. 975 moved to pending in 16 days. 1,171 sold in 25 days and at 98.6% list-to-sold ratio. The highest price home to sell was in West Annapolis for $7 million. There are 2,167 rentals holding steady at $2,300 per month, and days on the market are at 31 days. Is there a move planned for 2023 for you? I can help, so let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for February 3rd, 2023. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, stay healthy.